We will revise the formula count, count A, and COUNTIF. Now we want to find the number of students. So we want to count all the cells with a student ID. This student ID contains text and numbers. So we can use the formula count A. And we put in the cell ranges here, and it will automatically be entered here. So we put the bracket and close it. So we get 30 students here. And number of valid test score. Notice that valid test score consists only of numbers. So we will use count that counts only numbers. And again, we select the cell ranges here, and it will count all the valid test score, which is the numbers only for us. And now we want to count the number of absentee. So we count only if the cell value is absent. So we use count if. Again, the cell ranges is here. And what is the criteria? The criteria that we are using is absent. So we have 3 absentee here. And now, what about the total number of absent and valid test score? We want to count both text and number. So we use count A formula. Again, we select the cell ranges here. And we have 25. What about the number of blank cells? How do we count the number of blank cells? We know that count A, count text and number, except blank cell. So the number of blank cell will be the total number of student, which is the total number of rows here, minus away the number of absent and valid test score, which is this cell. So we have the formula total number of rows minus away number of valid text and number. Then we have the number of blank cell, which is 5. And we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indeed, it's correct. That's all for now.